Hey YouTube community, how are you doing today? And I want to show you something simple on the saxophone. For saxophone players and those who don't play saxophone, I want to talk about dynamics. And I don't want to talk about dynamics like everybody else talks about dynamics. I want to talk about it simply and succinctly, if that's the word you want to use. So what we're going to do here is quite simple. We're going to play the same three notes. And that's on the saxophone is an E, G, and A. An alto saxophone, right? You know, because saxophone is 3 semitones lower, so it's going to be a different note for concert. So an E, G, and an A. So I'm going to play it quietly. It's nighttime, so I'm going to play these notes very quietly. Even more quietly than that. You see, you might not have heard them again. You might think it's just air, but there's a little bit of sound coming out there. So let me go higher. And now, as I play, I'm going to be changing the dynamics as I go up. I'm going to get more intense as I go higher. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop. First notes, second note, third notes. Now, I did the fourth note, I added B. So it has to do with how much air you're passing through the saxophone and how much you're projecting. It's like with your voice too. Ha, ha, ha. That kind of thing you deal with the saxophone. So when you do it right, when you're in the right place in the song, you just add some panache. And yeah, I thought I should share that with you about dynamics. Okay, take care.